I just wanted to do a quick video showing you how to do Aleks and what I expect in my class. Your main menu is up at the top. Any notifications will be on the right side. Right here is the section where you're given suggestions on what to do next. And if any other thing can be done, it'll be listed there. When you first log into Aleks, it will ask you to take a tools tutorial. This just tells you kind of how to use the program, what you're doing. So here it wants me to type 14, so I type it. Then it wants me to see what the X is and the undo button, and it goes on from there. And it gives me the tools I need. So if I need to do a fraction, I can just type a fraction like that. It gives me the palette over here on the side on any questions I might need. Once you've completed the tools tutorial, it gives you a congratulations and lets you go back to the main menu. Every student needs to do a knowledge check, a pre-assessment. This was done in class, but if you were absent or you didn't finish it, you'll need to go in and finish it. Now when you're done, it gives you a whole pie chart that lets you know what you understand, what you don't understand. So to do that, you can click on the pie chart and it gives you more information. At the beginning, you can when you log in, you either see your Aleks pie chart or a timeline. The timeline tells you how many topics you have completed. Right here, there's the 0. That tells me we have completed 0 topics. If you want more information, you can click on it, and it tells you information you've done. I've been logged in for 14 seconds doing this video, but you can go through and see how many topics you've learned for the day. It adds up every single day, Monday through Sunday. And on Monday, every Monday morning, I check the topics. At the bottom, you can also see the homework that has been assigned. If you would like to do it, you go to the top and click on Assignments, and you can see the available assignments for you to do. You can click on them. With Aleks, if you ever forget to do an assignment, it automatically comes up. So if I haven't had a chance to do it, you see right here in this top box that I have to do 1.1 before I can do anything else. It says you won't be able to work on anything else until you complete your assignment. So if I click Get Started, and I'm going to say OK, I'll start. Now, it tells me how to navigate through the questions. I just click on the 1, 2, 3, and then when I'm done, I click Submit Assignment, and I go through and do the assignment. Once I'm done with the assignment, it gives me my score and tells me what my grade was. I can take it as many times as I want. So you can redo this assignment 100 times if you would like. When you're done with the assignment, just click the arrow and it brings you back to your timeline or pie chart. You can switch back and forth up here. The assignments are always going to be just 5 questions long. I won't do any assignments longer than 5 questions. My goal is that you only spend 15 to 20 minutes on these assignments. If you're spending more than that, then please come in and see me so I can show you how to do it in a faster way and reteach you the topic. Now when we get back out to the timeline, we see Start My Path. That means that that's the first topic it wants me to work on. It's gone through all my pre-assessments and it says, alright, you're ready to learn acute, obtuse, and right triangles. Even though we haven't learned them yet in class, that's okay. You just click on that and it'll start with just a little mini lesson giving you ideas. And it reviews things. It gives you instructions. It talks to you about what it would look like. It's basically a textbook page right there on the computer screen. And then at the bottom you click Start and it starts into the actual topic. Up here on the top it shows you how many correct answers you need in a row to pass off. If you don't understand something, use the explanation button. It helps you. It doesn't count against you. It's not like you got it wrong. So when we click explanation, we can see, hey, all right, we've got these same questions, but if you scroll through it, it gives you that textbook page and it gives you examples to practice. And then you can click start. And as you go through, we'd say, okay, this is a right triangle. This is an acute triangle. This is an equilateral triangle, but it's all acute angles. This is an obtuse angle, and I want to see, did I get it right? And up here on top, it will tell you got it right. Notice it told us we had one right. So if I continue on and say, okay, this is an obtuse angle because there's an obtuse, and we go through and answer every single one of them correctly, it gave us double credit because we did 2 in a row. So you notice it's got 3 marked in. Now let's say I get one wrong. It actually goes back 1. So you've got to keep going until you get 5 correct answers. When we click check on the very last one, it fills in all the squares at the top. When you click next, it says your progress. You have learned one topic. Now let's say we've been doing this for a half hour or so and we want to know how many topics we've done. Just go up to the home button and it tells you your learned topics count has increased. Okay, so we see right there we have learned 1, but we can also see down at the bottom that little counter has come up 1. If we want more information, we can always click on it and it tells us how many times we've skipped, how many times we've learned, and so on. When you do 5 of those topics in 1 week, if you do 1 a day, it usually turns out to be about 5 to 10 minutes at most. Hopefully not more than 5 minutes. So for the whole week, it shouldn't take you more than 25 minutes to do 5 topics. Some people can do it in far less time. Some take a little bit more time. But if you break it down into just 1 topic a night, it's just 5 minutes of homework every night is all I'm looking for on Aleks. Occasionally, I will assign something, an assignment. When I assign this assignment, it will automatically come up instead of continue my path, and it will look like this. Once you click on the assignment and do it, then you can go back to doing topics. Now if you finish your topics and you really want to work on an assignment and redo an assignment for a better grade, you click these 3 bars right here, and you can see where it says assignments. And then it lists the assignments, and it tells us what our scores are on all 3 assignments, and you can click on any of the assignments to redo them. You just simply click the assignment name and start. In every assignment that's given, there's always a worked example. So you can kind of see what is happening, including buttons that say more to give you more detailed examples. And you can redo these assignments as many times as you want. You have unlimited attempts. Each assignment is worth 5 points. I take the score that is presented, and that's the score that goes on your gradebook. In your home screen, the number of topics you have added up for the week, that's the number of topics I count towards your topics. For every topic you do above 5 topics, you get an extra credit point. So if you do 10 topics, you get 5 points for the assignment plus 5 points of extra credit. I hope this helps you understand what I'm hoping for with Aleks. If you have any questions, please contact me or come in. I have computers in my room. This works on iPads, this works on iPhones, Android. As far as I know, any smartphone that operates, I feel that this is much better than just assignment worksheets. I feel that this is the homework of the future. My last degree going through college, this is how I had to turn in my assignments. They had an online textbook. So a lot of universities are starting to switch to online textbooks. So this is hopefully preparing you for that level of education. Again, I hope this helps.